Here I have Samsung Galaxy S8 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning let me use an upper bar right here, and if you would like to quickly switch on Do Not Disturb, let's find here Do Not Disturb, let's tap it, and now you are using Do Not Disturb mode. This is the icon of this mode. If you would like to change some settings about this mode, let's use a list of all applications. Now let me find and select the settings. Here we have to choose sounds and vibrations. Scroll down and here we've got Do Not Disturb, let's tap it. And as you can see, for example, you can change the exceptions, you can choose alarms only, use no exception mode, or choose custom. For example, you can choose the calls from the favorite contacts, the same with the messages. You can enable the event and task alerts, reminders, and handle with repeat callers. You can go back, and also you can use the schedule time, so you can, for example, switch on automatically the Do Not Disturb mode on, for example, every Monday or every Friday. Let's go back, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.